Hello and welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's me Ayaz and you are watching English with Ayaz. So today we will talk about why should you choose United States accent. Before we go into detail, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get updated. To get updates about our new videos. Alright, so I don't want to waste your time and let's go to our main topic, which is why should you choose United States English and accent. I think I will talk about myself. When I was learning English, I myself choose United States English and I start with United States accent because it was very easy and it was super duper amazing for me and I could understand it very easily. I have also tried British English, but it was a little bit difficult and it wasn't like that easy for me to understand very quickly. But United States English was super easy for me, and I think if you want um, to improve your English and understand from the native, you want to learn from the native English speaker. So which one is best for you? I think United States because it is very easy as I said, and you will understand what the native speaker said. You will understand everything very easily. So I think if you love to learn English, my recommendation is United States, and there are a lot of movies you will see in United States English. Uh, if we compare British English with United States English, so United States is always winner because millions of people in United States speak English. They wrote a lot of books and they had a lot of movies in United States English. So my recommendation for you is United States English. You guys have to watch movies and uh, listen to native speaker and write that, and after that, after listening, after writing, you have to use dictionaries, and I think you have to convert or transfer, or what we call it, you have to, we can say it, convert to your uh, you know to your native language that you can understand it better. uh, I think this is very easy experience if you want to improve your English. If you are anyway, if you are a beginner, so this is a great opportunity for you, and it will be so easy if you start with United States English. So stick around with me and this YouTube channel, follow and subscribe, and I will help you to improve your accent, help you understand United States accent and English better. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thanks.